Okay, hey guys, what's up? Next Total Leader here. Okay, I'm back with my another video on top multi-baggers and gems for December. Okay, in these there are two types. First are the hidden gems, which are not in the public eye but have really strong foundation and some news updates and technical analysis to stand out and give good breakouts. The other are the short-term investments. These are the investments that you have to hold for 3 to 4 months to get good results. Okay, I don't give that lot of FNO trading calls because I don't believe trading gives good results as compared to investments. You've seen big bulls in investments, but in trading, I believe the news does not uh, affect the stock in a short-term format. So, short-term time period. So I prefer long-term 3 to 4 months or um, 12, 18 months patience to get the good results. Okay, so let's start. I'm not a SEBI registered analyst, so please consult your financial advisor before making any investment calls. This is just for education purposes. Okay, let's talk about the last video. Fortunately, as it's a market, I had given a 3 months view for the stocks, but um, to my surprise, the trend was so strong that all the targets in the last video were met in a week or so. So in just 1 week, you were able to get the returns. You can very well check. Okay, the first stock now we're starting is from CG Power. I gave that in the last video as well. CG Power I'm now buy at 47 and have a target of 60 with a 3 months view. CG Power has shown CG Power is in upper circuit for the last 3 days. And everybody, any active trader knows about it. Why? Because of the Murugappa takeover and Tube Investments are taking over CG Power. So due to this, CG Power is showing good breakouts, and it gave a first breakout. I've seen top analysts giving CG Power calls at 15. Well, at that time nobody believed them, but now as CG Power has given such a good breakout at till 42, now some other news have arrived, and it is I think in such a bullish market I think it can give another breakout. So this is my top pick for December, and CG Power is having really turnaround. Okay, if you see the daily chart of CG Power, I'm sorry to see the daily chart is of um, last 2 to 3 trading days before, because I had made this video. I'm making this video a week before uploading. Okay, so now you can see that there is minimum amount of retracement and the trend is always upward. You can see from the 200 exponential moving average has crossed the 50 moving average as well as the exponential moving average, which is listed as the golden cross. So it is quite a positive trend with low amount of profit booking. Yeah, the news that I was talking about, that to invest and take over majority stake in CG Power, hold 50.62% equity. So I think in 3 months time it's going to give another breakout because of the front raise. Next is Jet Airways. I am Jet Airways buy at 69 and target of 77. Keep a 3 months view on this stock, and the reasons that I'm giving is the inside news and hopes of revival. People are talking about the revival of Jet Airways because when it went to the NCLT auction, some hidden Dubai buyers have come up and they are going to turn around Jet Airways. Now it has a bright futures. Obviously after lockdown, the people are going to travel more by air, and it is definitely going to benefit in the revenue generation. So it has a strong foundation, and I would suggest keep a 3 months view and don't trade in FNO in this stock. It's not going to give that short term advantage. Yes, this is the news I'm talking about, NCLT not sought for Jet Airways revival plan. I've studied all these news and come out with the best target for you. That is, the first target is the first strong resistance, and I think it will definitely in 3 months time it will definitely cross that. But uh, uh, we're keeping on the safe side. You should invest 5% of your portfolio. You can invest 5% of your portfolio in this. Next is Shakti Pump. You must have heard about Shakti Pump, obviously. I'm giving a buy call at 264 and target of 290 with a 4 months view. I have I have researched a lot about Shakti Pump and right advanced water pumping solutions to irrigations. It has really good Q2 numbers despite challenges in COVID. It has sold almost 16,000 solar pumps, and government set target of 1,75,000 pumps in the year 2021. Okay, buy this stock only as an investor, not as an FNO trader, because in short term I think it's too much risk. But in investment, I think you can get some with patience. You can get good results. Okay, next is Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel, the biggest player in telecommunications. I'm going to buy at 478, a target of 502, with a 3 months view. The biggest reason is the FIIs and the other foreign institutions and investment firms are shifting from Reliance to Bharti, as Reliance was seen in an overbought zone and is not able to break its first resistance. People are shifting from Reliance to Bharti Airtel. It has shown comforting Q2 numbers even in COVID, and it is being suggested by big analysts. I have studied the research, and Bharti Airtel is showing a positive trend, and it's on the verge of a breakout. Okay, the news update. These are the current news on Bharti Airtel. You can research, and these are all the positive outlook of the stock. But the news and the technical, technical is on set aside the technical. The news is going to hit the stock in a longer duration time. You have to show patience. The technical analysis of the daily chart trend will also show returns to the stock in 3 months view. 3 to 4 months are required. If you're holding it, keep holding it for 3 to 4 months with patience. Then you're going to get good results. Okay, next one is Hindustan Zinc. I have given a buy of 237 with a target of 252, keeping in mind a 3 months view. The reason that I have given is without robust Q2 earnings and at 18 months high. So it is ranking about that strong resistance of 18 months high. It has given good profits to investors, and foreign institutions are also eyeing the stock. Okay, after paying an interim dividend of 21.30 per share of rupees 9,000 crores, company still has a cash of 6,800 crores, translating it in 16 per share. Earnings were robust with net sales up by 24% year to year and 42% quarter to quarter. Residual stake of 29.5% may get sold by government in this year, which most likely will be bought by existing promoter Vedanta, which will re-rate the stock as well as stock was recommended. Will re-rate the stock. Okay, so I think buy as an investor and avoid FNO trading in the stock, and you're surely gonna get good results. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon.